Hey everyone, it's 1:59 a.m. I tried starting to go to sleep about 2 hours ago, but I can't go to sleep. I tried taking some ZzzQuil, and it's been about 40 minutes now, and I just can't go to sleep. I don't know what it is. I got this pretty bad headache right now, but aside from that, I think my dog farting is what's also keeping me up. But now, in all seriousness, I don't know what the hell's going on. I'm not trying to think of anything or trying to zone out. I'm trying to focus on one thing maybe sometimes. You know, maybe if I just keep thinking, my mind will wander and I'll slip through, but I just can't seem to go to sleep. I'm just really hoping this doesn't continue, my stupid sleeping habit.
Hey guys, so it's 10 a.m. over here. About 10 minutes after recording that last recording, I just finally slipped into sleep, so that's good. Yeah, I finally slipped into sleep, so now hopefully my sleeping schedule is a lot better. With rest, I can actually start doing my exercises a lot more easily, and I'm able to actually do all my work more proficiently, and that's always a good thing. So I'll catch you guys in the next recording. I'm just waiting for my phone to charge. I plugged in the charger, it said 9%, and then as soon as I turn it on, it's at 33%, so I'm just gonna wait till it's fully charged just to make sure it's, you know, anything. So, today was a pretty normal day, I guess. The most I got that was really kind of different from the average day is that one of my neighbors gave me their Xbox 360s to fix. The main problem they have, which is just a problem I see pretty frequently with Xbox 360s, is that the disc tray likes to not open up. That's all I really gotta do, so let's just get straight into the exercises. I don't really have too much energy today. Hopefully tonight when I get more appropriate amount of sleep, I'll wake up more refreshed and such, so let's just jump right to it.